Guys, my name is Abi, and in these next couple videos, well, not next couple videos, but a new playlist I'm going to be making is why you should get a 3D printer and just videos about 3D printing. So recently I finished my 6-inch build, which is right here. However, when I went out to fly, I completely destroyed my FPV camera. Now it's just the shell, as far as I know, and I have an extra one just in case, but what I decided to do was go to Thingiverse and print out a new one. So once this finishes, I will show you guys me taking off the printer and assembling the new camera. So stay tuned. Alright, so it is done, and as I pull off the printer, it took about 20 minutes, which is kind of long, but I printed it at a very slow speed so I could get lots of detail, but came out pretty good, no supports. Taking a look at Thingiverse, this was made by Made C. It's just called HS1177 case, and it's from the print so far it looks to be a pretty good design. So I will cut to me putting it together, and I will show you guys the entire way I put it together. Okay, so taking a look at our old camera, it's all smashed up, so we're just going to take the screws out of the corners so we can fully disassemble it. Now I have used this camera quite a lot, so I'm not too, angry that it broke. To be honest, I have no idea how it broke, because when I took the 6-inch out to fly, I didn't really fly too hard. I was just checking to make sure everything was working properly, and that there were no major flaws with the build. But we got all of our screws, we have our electronics board, and we gotta unscrew the lens. Okay, so we have everything. Now this old shell can honestly just be tossed. There was nothing really special about it, but let's see if we put the new board in. Does it fit? Yes, it fits perfectly in there. It even has mounting screws for the original screws that go in there. And with the lens screw in good. Seems to screw in fine. Okay, it's getting a little bit tough towards the end, but from what I read, you can just screw it down until it's in focus. So I'm gonna have to do that later, but for right now I'm just gonna thread the whole inner portion of it. Okay, so there we go. Looking pretty good. So this new playlist I'm creating is just kind of a playlist where I'm gonna have a bunch of 3D printing projects and just different projects that should show you guys why you should buy a 3D printer and why they're becoming so popular and so useful. But let me just assemble this real quick, and I'll have the final product in 2 seconds. So we are done with the camera. It is perfect. I don't have any complaints with the design or anything. You guys can go check it out. I showed you where to find it on Thingiverse. So that's it for this one, guys. The 6-inch build is coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.